In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change stereo to mono audio in Davinci Resolve. So whether you're fine-tuning a podcast, editing a video, or simply looking to consolidate your audio tracks, this tutorial is for you. I'm here to guide you step by step on how to achieve this in just 5 minutes. Let's start by opening the Davinci Resolve application. It's crucial to ensure you're using the latest version to avoid any compatibility issues and benefit from recent updates. Once you have Davinci Resolve open, you'll need to select the project you want to work on. This is where we'll be diving into our editing magic. Click on your project from the list or library. Once you're in your project, the next stop is the edit page. You'll find the edit page at the bottom of the screen, represented by a simple scissor icon. This area is where all the major timeline tweaks and precise adjustments happen. Transition into the edit page and let's continue. Now let's locate the audio track you want to convert from stereo to mono. Navigate through your timeline and find the exact audio track you're focusing on. This step is where things start getting interesting. Right click on your chosen audio track. This action will reveal a context menu displaying various options pertinent to your audio. Don't rush here, make sure you right click directly on the audio track you intend to modify. Once you're in the menu, look for the option that says change track type to. Davinci Resolve provides this flexible function to adjust how your audio is recognized and managed by the software. Hover over this option and you'll see several track type choices appear. Now the moment has come to click on mono. By selecting mono, you're telling Davinci Resolve that you want all the audio information to be directed through a single channel. This change is particularly useful for voiceovers or any recording where a uniform sound is preferred, ensuring consistency across different playback systems. And there you have it, folks. You've seamlessly transitioned your audio from stereo to mono within Davinci Resolve. This simple yet powerful adjustment ensures your project delivers audio in the format best suited for its content and audience. Remember, mono audio consolidates sound, making it clearer on single channel speakers or earphones. It's perfect for podcasts, interviews, or any monologue content. Thank you for watching and following along with this quick yet comprehensive tutorial. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks in Davinci Resolve. Happy editing, and until next time, keep creating.